When I first saw that Danessa Myricks was coming out with this neutral palette, Groundwork, I thought, I have a lot of neutrals already. I don't need any more. It's just gonna be another set of neutrals. I was so very, very wrong. This palette, it's ridiculous how in love I am with it. It is the perfect everyday, neutral, beautiful. It is the I Am Every Woman of neutral palettes. Look at how beautiful it is, first of all. Can we just have a moment of silence for how, like, spare no expense, I guess. It's just, it makes me feel things. And it's gorgeous. Look at these colors. So it has like the pomade and the color in it. I'm calling it pomade because that's what the salesperson at Sephora told me. I'm hoping that that is correct, but you use the pomade to set the eye color, or you can do it vice versa, either way. But these colors are beautiful. And the names I love: Sandstone, Desert, Mirage, Chiseled, Sculpted, Harvest, Core, Stone, Bark, and Tourmaline. Beautiful. I used it to do this lovely little eye look, and I used a little bit of the berries from Juvia's place, but watch how I get this eye look to happen here and all go together and do what it do, because it is fantastic and I think you're gonna love it. If eyeshadows aren't your thing and you're like, I don't need a bunch, if you were to get this palette right here and then maybe like one or two separate like colors, maybe some pinks or some blues or something that, you know, you like, you'd probably be set forever. But that's, I'm just being biased right now. And this video is not sponsored. Danessa Myricks does not know my name. She does not know who I am, but I know hers, and I know this palette is magical. So I've shown you guys this handy dandy little switching sponge in my other videos. I got it at the Dollar Tree, and it's great for using in between different colors if you want to use the same type of brush. It helps you get all of that other color off so that you can get the new color on. The look that I was trying to achieve was an all-over soft brown chocolatey kind of color, and then I wanted to brighten it up with a little tiny hint of pink so that it would coordinate with the lipstick that I was going to put on. Because I wear lash extensions, something that I've found makes it easier for me to do my eyeliner is to use a dark black eyeshadow to do the liner on my eyes rather than a pencil or a liquid, because that can tend to pull at the lashes. I don't want to do that. You spend your hard-earned money on your lashes, you want them to stay on your eyes. And there you have it, the finished look. What do you think? If you haven't gotten the Groundwork palette, you should probably change that and make it part of your life, or at least your makeup routine. All right, bye sugar.